reports to increase your lead conversion at your open houses. So today I'm doing an open house in Brentwood. It's a single family home, good busy location, so I expect a good turnout at the open house. I have the feature sheet ready. Let me go into Realinfobox page and get the report. So I'm going to get two reports. One would be for the city. All of the people can see just what happens globally, and then we can compare to the neighborhood. So I'm going to click on city reports here for Calgary. I don't need all of the detached and condos. This is a single family detached home. So I click the detached. Gives me the 2 pages. So I'm going to just download the 2-page report. Click download, save it. And I'll go back. I'll go home, go back to market reports. And now I'm going to find the Brentwood neighborhood report. So that is the Northwest. So I'll open the section, go down, it's sorted alphabetically. Click on the community report. I'll get the report for the Brentwood. Again, I'm only going to do detached homes. Then I click download. And then I'll save it on my computer. I have the reports now saved on my hard drive. I'm going to simply open the PDF document here for the city and one for the neighborhood. And I'll simply go to print. Make sure everything's okay. We have a 1/2 inch border, so even you don't scale it, it should all print properly on any printer. And then let's click print. So in the open house setup, so what we do, you bring the neighborhood report, the one you're doing an open house for, and the city. Once the client comes in, it's a great conversation starter. You can show them what has been happening in the community for the last 10 years. So the neighbors, the people who shop in, they all love to hear about the pricing, how their home investment is performing. You can compare to the city. You can show them when the boom was, a little bit of crash and different market corrections at the neighborhood level. Very useful information is number of listings, number of sales, show you the ratio. You can talk about the buyers market, sellers, how many days it takes to sell the property in the neighborhood. The second report we bring, it's for whole city. So these both reports are for property type, detached homes. Here it shows exactly we are in the buyer's market right now, shows the history of the market pricing, and very useful tool here is the curve of the market. Different price ranges have a different demand, so the market does behave differently. This could be a seller's market, but if you're in a 300 to 400 price range single family home, you may be in a seller's market because you have a high demand. Good point to make, you only have 2 pieces, you can't give it to a client, so this is a perfect time. You had a good conversation, you build some rapport. Why don't I just email it to you, register them on your iPad or have them sign in. So great helper for your open houses, and actually that leaves you with something that you can follow up on.